All right, this one's pretty neat. I'm kind of excited about this. So I bought a handpan steel drum. Now, I'm a traditional drummer, and I wanted to have something that was a little bit more portable than trying to take a whole drum kit with me. So I picked up one of these, and this is a 22-inch with 10 notes in D minor handpan steel drum. The only thing you're really going to need to know, because there's lots of different techniques that you can find on YouTube for hitting these, just be sure that no matter which finger you pick to hit it with, and it's kind of up to you, just make sure you don't hit and hold, right? Because it stops the sound. You just want to make sure you hit and pull your finger away. Other than that, as long as you're doing that, as long as you're having fun, and as long as it sounds good, in my opinion, you are doing it right. But this thing sounds beautiful. I'm so used to like a traditional drum kit, which is really like hard pounding and snappy and obnoxious. And this is just so much more kind of beautiful and resonating. Right? Kind of cool, but it doesn't stop there. If you don't want to use your fingers, and if you're new to hand drumming, this might hurt your fingers if you practice this with your fingers a lot. So it also comes with rubber malleted end sticks that you can also use, and you're going to get a lot more volume out of it when you use a stick like this. So you're welcome to do that. It also comes with a cleaning rag to keep the thing nice, but that's not all. It comes with other cool stuff. A stand. So you can either put this thing in your lap, or you can put it on a stand and sit by it, which is another option. And one more cool thing, it comes with a carrying case. So you can put the drum inside of the carrying case, and you can put it on and wear it like a backpack and take it to your campfire or wherever you're going that you want to bring this steel drum and play it. So I think this thing is pretty darn cool. I'm excited to have it, and if you are looking for a steel drum, so far I'm impressed with this one, and I would definitely recommend it.